to another video. It's another warning series. Okay, if you don't know what that is, I've had flood warning, I've had thunderstorm warning, but now blizzard warning. Yes, because my grandpa was watching the weather, and there's supposed to be a blizzard with 14 inches of snow. Like, really? 14 inches? Blizzard? Is that necessary? Wow. Yeah, it is currently in the 30s, and it's lightly raining. Like, very, very, very lightly raining. You couldn't even see it if it was in plain sight. But anyway, guys, yeah, this rain will probably lead to the snow at one point. In a couple of hours, once I weed all these weeds, I can talk normally. All the weeds are gotten out. Anyway, guys, yeah. So basically, snow, yay, I guess, yeah. It is very, 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 very cold. I think that was very necessary. And one more thing, I'm also cold. Yeah, it's cold and I'm cold. Anyway, I'm on the rock. Yeah, a car's coming. Anyway, yeah, a bird's nest. Oh, is that new? I don't know. Anyway, fountain is still working. Very, very, very lightly. I like very, don't I? Anyway, guys, this will end the very, very, very cold video. I just said very even more. Anyway, this is the end of the cold video. Oh, wait. And my pine tree has grown. Now this will end the cold video. Bye, cold. Bye, bye, bye.